Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamie. So today I wanted to do this quick little review, but it's also like a little test trial thing. I saw these lashes on Amazon when I was kind of just strolling along, okay? And these are Ioni, I think that's how you pronounce it. Ioni's 3D curls. These are faux mink individual lash extensions, okay? So I've never tried these before. I'm generally always like, you know, a full lash girl, but I wanted to give these a try. And since I ordered them, I thought they'd make for a great review. Okay, so these are three strands wispy natural short eyelash extensions. So I'm going to attempt to put these on, and I'm going to do it on camera. So let me see how they look, you guys. Maybe they'll be a game changer. I don't know. Let's take a look. So I'm assuming that these come with when you put these on with like your regular glue, and I want to do any review or video with the magnetic ones. You know, I've been hearing a lot about those, the magnetic this is supposed to be the magnetic adhesives, and you just stick them on. So I'm gonna be looking out for that, so you guys look out for that video too. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my adhesive on, because I like to apply my adhesive on first, let it dry a little bit, make sure once it's tacky, and then I go in and I stick the lashes. So I think that process will be best suitable for this video. So you guys, I'll be right back. Okay, so I applied my adhesive on first, and while I let that dry, I'm gonna go in with my Revlon. This is the Ultimate All-in-One Mascara, and I'm just gonna touch my natural lashes up too, okay, before we apply these bad boys on. I am curious to see how this is gonna look, y'all. If you have tried these before, leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think of them. Are they better than the full lashes, or you guys like the extensions better? Now I know a lot of women go in and they pay to have their lashes done. You know, I haven't gotten that fancy just yet. I haven't gotten that fancy, but you know, I'm thinking about it. I'm considering it, because I would love to wake up with my eyebrows tattooed on already and my eyelashes already done. It will probably give me like a good 10 minutes of my day back. Not much, but just a good 10 minutes, okay? That's a lot when you're a mom of 8. That's a lot. 10 minutes is like a whole lot. Okay, y'all, so I'm just in the mirror over here trying to do my bottom lashes. I'm gonna attempt to do this over here in the camera. I don't know how that's gonna look, because it's a little different. Okay, so I'm gonna stop there, because if you guys can see, I actually have some pretty good lashes myself, and I think the glue is, oh, let me set it right there. I think the glue is kind of tacky enough. So I didn't want to do too much with my own lashes and the mascara, because, you know, we want to see what this is going to look like. Okay, so per the instructions, you are simply just supposed to gently remove the lashes from your tray using some tweezers, okay? And then you're gonna apply the strip of lash adhesive to the base and let it sit for 30 seconds. And then place over natural lash line and apply more lashes for desired full look. Well, I'm not gonna put the adhesive on the base. I'm gonna put it on my own eye. So these don't look like they are any particular length in descending order or anything of that nature, so they all look like they're about the same length. So I am just going to go ahead and take one out, try not to ruin it. Okay, so let me do it over here first, y'all, and then I'll attempt to do it on camera. Okay, so let me at least try to get one or two on correctly. Okay, can we see that? I mean, I'm kind of spreading them out, but they're not really long. They're not long enough. I mean, these ones are the short ones. So I'm gonna stick that there. Let me make sure that's right. Yeah, these are still short. I mean, can y'all see that? Look, it looked like I clipped. That one didn't get on right, so let me get another one. I would say they're too short. Girl, I need to be doing this over here in the mirror. Okay, y'all, so I brought y'all in a little bit closer. I don't know if I like these, to be honest with you. I mean, they're short, and I'm not a short eyelash person. Okay, you guys, I don't know. I think this is a nay. I'm trying to put it on with my fingers, with my hands, because I didn't feel like it was doing a good job with the tweezers. But I don't think I like this, honey. I think I prefer just to slap my lashes on and go. This is not saving me 10 minutes. It's adding. It is adding 10 minutes to my time. Because I don't like this. I mean, oh. And I just poked myself in the eye. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys use these lash extensions, comment in the comment section and let me know how y'all like them, because I'm not a fan. I mean, number one, I don't look like it did anything. You know, I can't really tell that they're there. Maybe I probably shouldn't have did my lashes with the mascara, but I thought they would at least kind of protrude out a little bit more, but they're short. They're too short. And I'm really not a short lash person, so luckily it only cost $5.99, okay? I didn't waste too much of nothing. What, like a cheeseburger or a kid's meal or something at McDonald's, but I didn't waste too much money on it. So I'm trying to see at different angles. Can we see that? I can't really see that, and I like my lashes to be full, y'all. So let's just be real about this. She's a nay. She's a no. We won't. It's a no.